If you've ever tried making smoothies, soups, or baby food with a bulky countertop blender that's loud, annoying to clean, and somehow still leave chunks behind, you're definitely not alone. A lot of immersion blenders solve the space problem, but then they come with weak motors, tangled cords, or attachments you never actually use. That's why the Rosewill 6-in-1 Cordless Immersion Hand Blender is interesting, because it's clearly designed for people who want something compact, flexible, and genuinely useful in everyday cooking. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right away, the cordless design changes the entire experience. Not having a cable hanging over the counter sounds like a small thing until you actually use it. You can move around freely while blending soups on the stove, mixing smoothies in a travel cup, or prepping food in tighter kitchen spaces without constantly adjusting cords. The blender itself has a clean, modern look with a surprisingly sturdy feel in the hand. It's lightweight enough that your wrist doesn't get tired after a couple of minutes, but it still feels solid rather than plasticky or cheap. The stainless steel blending shaft and blades also help it feel more durable compared to lower-end immersion blenders that start wobbling after repeated use. The attachment system is honestly where this product starts making more sense financially. Instead of buying separate gadgets for whisking, frothing milk, chopping vegetables, or blending soups, this combines everything into one compact setup. And unlike a lot of multi-function kitchen gadgets, these attachments are actually practical for normal people. The whisk works well for eggs or pancake batter. The milk frother is surprisingly good for coffee drinks. And the chopper bowl is useful for quick garlic, onion, or nut prep when you don't want to drag out a giant food processor. Performance is better than I expected from a cordless blender. The motor has enough power to blend frozen fruit for smoothies, puree soups into smooth textures, and make baby food without constantly struggling. It's not as aggressive as a full-size, high-powered countertop blender, but for an immersion blender, it handles daily tasks confidently. The variable speed control also helps a lot because you're not stuck choosing between off and full chaos. You can start slower for softer ingredients and gradually increase speed without splattering soup across your kitchen walls. And speaking of splatter, the anti-splash design actually works reasonably well. You still need basic common sense while blending, but it's noticeably cleaner than many cheaper stick blenders. Battery life is another area where this feels more premium than expected. The rechargeable setup means you can get through multiple blending sessions before needing to recharge, and the fast charging helps if you forget to plug it in overnight. Noise levels are also pretty manageable. It's obviously not silent, but it avoids that harsh screaming sound some immersion blenders make the second you turn them on. For early morning smoothie routines or baby food prep while someone's sleeping nearby, that matters more than people think. Cleanup is also refreshingly simple. Most attachments rinse quickly, and because the blending shaft attaches easily, it doesn't become one of those kitchen tools you avoid using just because washing it feels annoying afterward. Before making a purchase, there are a few key points worth considering. If you regularly crush large amounts of ice or make extremely thick mixtures every day, a larger countertop blender may still be the better long-term option. Also, because it's cordless, there's always the extra step of remembering to recharge it. Some people may prefer the unlimited runtime of a corded immersion blender instead. But honestly, the freedom and convenience of cordless use make it hard to go back once you've used this for a while. Compared to similar immersion blenders from brands like KitchenAid or Cuisinart, the Rosewill stands out mainly because of the cordless flexibility and the number of included attachments at this price point. Some premium competitors feel slightly more refined, but they also cost noticeably more once you add similar accessories. This feels like a practical middle ground between affordability and everyday usefulness. At the end of the day, this is the kind of kitchen tool that quietly saves time without demanding a ton of counter space. It's versatile, easy to use, simple to clean, and flexible enough for smoothies, soups, sauces, baby food, coffee drinks, and quick meal prep. If you want a cordless immersion blender that actually simplifies cooking instead of adding more clutter, the Rosewill 6-in-1 is definitely worth a look. If you want to check current pricing or availability, the link is waiting down below in the description. And if this review helped you out, Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you'd use this blender for first.